Hello, children. My name is Professor Farnsworth, and that's who we're drawing today. Another exciting adventure in the everlasting homeworld of Futurama. Here in the future, anything can happen. From micro machines to spacecrafts to... Oh yeah, jetpacks. Did I forget to mention that there's a carnival on the moon? Oh yeah, I already told you that. Anyhow, the drawing for Professor Farnsworth, we start by drawing his upper half. He's an inventor and a genius. His co-workers involve Hermes and Zoidberg.
Shall I play more music related to that?
Hell no! Alexa, play Bite My Shiny Metal Ass.
Bite My Shiny Metal Ass by Degenerated on Amazon Music.
Shut the hell up!
Funny. A lot can happen in the future. There we go. That is how you draw Professor Farnsworth from Futurama. That's all for now. Until next time, all you bite my shiny metal ass!